Phone-free classrooms in New York. Governor Kathy Hochul announcing a proposal that would ban cell phone use in K-12 public schools. NTD's Chris Spears has the story.
The governor of New York introduced a budget proposal that would ban the use of cell phones in K-12 classrooms throughout the school day. It also includes other internet-connected devices like smartwatches and tablets, prohibiting their use in all school settings like lunchrooms and study halls. Hochul outlining the basis of her proposal at a press conference.
A war is being waged for our children's minds. It's that profound. Kids are being besieged with addictive algorithms, toxic social media, and cell phones that just can be so manipulative that it becomes addictive like a drug.
The proposal requires schools ensure parents have a way to contact their children on school days. Schools would create their own implementation plans and receive funding for pouches, cubbies, and other phone storage systems.
And I believe we'll be judged harshly if we don't look at the data that is so overwhelming of the negative impact of social media and cell phones on children's developmental abilities to function as not just as kids but ultimately as adults, and how so many times that these social media platforms have had a profoundly negative impact on our children's mental health.
Some parents are concerned they might not be able to reach their children when the ban goes into effect. Law enforcement says it's necessary to keep children safe in emergency situations. The superintendent of the New York State Police explained how students need to focus on instructions from staff in those situations.
Students may instinctively reach for their phones first instead of focusing on those instructions that are being conveyed. Instructions that are intended to help them get to a safe place. And they may unknowingly text or post inaccurate information to social media and cause confusion, quite possibly to parents or to emergency responders.
If passed, New York would join 9 other states with similar laws, including California, Florida, Louisiana, and Virginia. There seems to be bipartisan support for this type of policy. Raj Goyal is head of a pro-phone ban group that urged Hochul to propose this bill.
There is a rapid realization from the parent community, from the teaching community, from the education community that we got a problem with this generation, and it's not their fault. And in fact, in today's paper, there's a brand new study that shows the rates of self-harm and aggression and depression for 13-year-olds is significantly more than even 17-year-olds. And we know the culprit, it's phones.